Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be doing a cheap BB gun versus the 666 AF. Let's jump straight into this video. Alright, so for the video, I'm gonna be having the cheap BB gun versus the AF. And to see which gun is better, which I have a feeling the AF is, just because it's a cheap gun. I got this gun at my corner store for like $5 or so, and I got this gun up at eBay for like $13-14. But to see which gun is better, I set this paper up on the wall. It ain't much, but we're gonna shoot the paper with the BB bullets. Let's go straight to this video. Alright, we're gonna start with the cheap BB gun. We're gonna see how much damage it does. Alright, now moving on to the 666 AF. Alright, when you come over here to the cheap BB gun, as I can see, it did do damage. But when you come over here to the AF, you can see that it barely did damage, but it did something. Alright, so the cheap BB gun won the challenge over the 666 AF. It's still a good gun, and I really thought this gun was gonna win, but obviously the cheap BB gun won. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.